In this video, let's see how to print a check-in and out report on the report page. In the navigation bar, click on Reports. Select Activities. In the top right corner, click on the Filter button. In the Filter panel, click on Checkout to add an activity. Select Check-in. Click on the Date Range field to change the dates. Click on the Date field to edit it. When finished entering the from and to dates, click OK. Select an option from the Posted by drop-down. Check the box to only see activities posted by admin, primary account holder, or instructor. Click on the Program drop-down field to filter by program. Select the program from the options. Click on the Class drop-down menu to filter further by class. Select the class from the drop-down list. You can also toggle to show activities without a class. Click the Apply button to apply the filters. Click on the column header to sort the column in alphabetical order. Click on the Posted column header to sort the list by posted date. Type into the Type to Filter field to filter the list by Enrollee Name.